Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cracker Barrel app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Cracker Barrel app is designed to make dining and shopping at one of America's favorite comfort food restaurants more convenient and personalized. Available on both iOS and Android, the app lets users browse the entire Cracker Barrel menu, place online pickup or curbside orders, and even join the Cracker Barrel Rewards program to earn points for every dollar spent. These points can later be redeemed for rewards, special deals, and exclusive offers. The app's main feature is its seamless online ordering system, which allows customers to customize meals, save favorite items, and schedule pickups at nearby locations. It also includes a digital waitlist option, so users can check restaurant wait times and join the queue before arriving. Plus, you can shop for home decor, gifts, and other Cracker Barrel store items directly through the app. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users love the app's convenience, easy ordering interface, and loyalty reward system. The ability to earn points on both dining and shopping makes it a versatile companion for frequent visitors. However, some users report occasional technical issues, like login errors, reward tracking delays, or payment glitches during peak times. Delivery availability may also vary by location. In summary, the Cracker Barrel app may be worth using if you're a fan of Southern-style meals, enjoy earning dining rewards, and want to order or shop conveniently from one place. However, if you only visit occasionally or prefer in-person ordering, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.